Hey guys, welcome back to my channel with another beautiful video of trendy and amazing and stylish ideas of hand embroidery. But before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed my channel or you're watching my videos for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads on my channel. Guys, one more thing, that subscribers are very important. If you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from number of many other devices, because with your love and support we have reached at this level, and with your love and support we will continue to grow. Guys, one more important thing I have seen, not many of the times but few times, some of you are commenting that this content is not ours or design is copied from someone else. I have already shared this, that the basic concern and the main intent of my making videos or sharing beautiful designs of hand embroidery, hand art, needlework with you is to share amazing, stylish, and beautiful patterns and ideas and designs with you, to give our community of hand embroidery lover a more creative and unique look with my opinion, suggestions, and ideas. We never intend or claim to say that someone else's work is our own, or we reclaim someone else's work as our own. So guys, these floral and beautiful patterns of embroidery could be used for a variety of reasons. The most common and the most frequently used idea that you can use these very beautiful patterns of floral embroidery for designing your bed sheets, pillow covers, quilt covers, your table mats, your different types of home accessories. Even you can make these patterns of embroidery onto your handbags, like woven bags, like hand knitted, hand crochet made items could also be decorated by using the very beautiful art of hand embroidery and these patterns of embroidery by making use of wool for embroidering those patterns. Guys, most of times my friends on YouTube, family members, have been requesting me that which type of thread would be recommended. It totally depends on to your choice. If you want to make a thick, a 3D look, then I would recommend you to use wool for embroidery the patterns. And if you want to give a sleek, matte, and delicate look, then must use anchor or DMC. So thank you so much for watching.